So we've been to Makoto before, if you've seen that vlog with the 7 Brew, but we're going to try a different Asian store that apparently does sell like Pokemon stuff and other things. So we're going to go check it out for our first time. It's actually right around the corner, which is crazy from Makoto. So
yeah,
never been here. Seen some pictures of some merch. So
I saw some plushies in there.
yeah, let's see what we got and come along with the venture. No. Guys, guess what this is? A straw topper.
Oh, that's so cute.
There's a bubbles around.
Oh, those are cute.
I think that's what they are.
Oh, look at this cute slow king or slowpoke.
I don't know, is it?
Oh my god, look at how pretty these are.
Look at the AirPod Pro case.
That's cute. What is this? Oh, it's a tissue box.
Yeah, sure.
There's a Squirtle one. He's a little messed up. Oh, they have these. We have some of these. These are cute. Spider-Man. Bad glare. I'm getting one of these Sylveon pins for sure.
The straw top? I don't know.
What is this? A standing pencil case. Oh, that's cute. Excuse me. Thank you. They have Zootopia bowls. There's not a lemming though, so I don't need it. I only want lemming supplied. Oh my gosh. $5. My birthday's coming up. Birthday plates. $20, guys. And it's like almost worth it. I don't have an umbrella, so. Ooh, look at all these cute little like stickers, like facial, and probably could use on your nails. What is this? Pokeball brooch. They have all these fun perfumes. Do you think they smell good?
I don't know. Well, we have Bob and his bat and Peek and Evie.
Oh my god.
Cleaning.
I don't use anything like that. What are these? Little makeup mirrors. Oh my god. I don't need it. Ooh, fun clippies. They have so much cute stuff here, guys.
Guys, come with me. We're gonna go pick out my straw topper.
All right, let's follow Mike to get a straw topper. Pikachu and Bulbasaur. I do need it. All right, what straw topper? Is that what these all are?
Yeah. I don't know if they're straw toppers. I don't know. It looks like one. But
yeah.
When I go to Bulbasaur, it doesn't look like one.
Yeah, he does. I don't know. You decide. It might not be. It might just be hanging on like over a card holder or something.
Oh.
See?
You know what it is? It's for like those screen monitors.
Oh, those are so cute.
Yeah, we don't need that.
I think I'm gonna get one of these. I really want Psyduck. What do you guys think? This one? And let's hope it's gonna be a Psyduck. Mike has left empty-handed. Unlike me. It's okay, I bought him a pin. Gengar. Okay, really quick. I'm gonna open this. We're hoping for Psyduck. Who do you want?
Bulbasaur.
There was no Bulbasaur that I saw.
He's on the fence too much.
I got Eevee. So dopey. Okay, mics are on because this store is always insanely loud. And we're gonna try and see if we can find any better blind boxes here for Mike. And he's also looking for the new Japanese Rayquaza Pokemon set, maybe. If they have, they still have the Bulbasaur in the window. We have some new Pokemon figures.
Tita.
They have the Eevees again.
Oh.
Yeah, those are pretty cool. But those ones aren't mystery, so you would just find the one that you want. This one's cute. I just want Pikachu or Charmander.
So I think Amy already has Chip.
I think I have Chip.
She wants to. We
Yeah.
did pull the chase, didn't we? You
No.
would do it, no?
No, we pulled Donald, we pulled
Goofy.
Goofy twice.
And Minnie.
And Minnie. What are these ones? They're a little... Oh gosh, thanks, Mike. Those are weird.
Guys, look at these little penguins. They're kind of cute. I'm going to get one, probably not, because
Mike's a penguin person.
I love penguins.
Look at these. This is a blind box penguin all dressed up in different things, Mike.
Is it Jeff the Shark? No.
He only wants Jeff the Land Shark things? Is that why we're here? Is that the real reason?
What is this? This is... Looks like a nightlight. There's a cool gas light. Oh, here it is on display.
Oh. That's so cute.
It's like a nightlight.
He's a good little size.
Oh, we got some keychains behind us. Ghastly, Gengar.
Dust Noir. Gloom.
Skull.
Whatever.
Oh, look at it. I got the statues on $55.
These
They got a
are
Gengar
so
one.
cute. They have a Bulbasaur in the window that I want. They have these fun Toothless blind boxes.
Get it.
I like Toothless. Oh, look at he's eating fish there. Oh, this one's got the other dragons. Oh my god.
Not
I
Novas?
love these little fat ones. I wish that there was like the two of them together, if you know what ones I'm talking about. But I love them. Oh, this is only $5.99 for these.
Ooh, I think it's worth a gamble.
Yeah, it's worth a gamble. I bought like my favorite pen ever here one time, and now they never have them again. And it was colored and it worked and wrote so nice. And now they don't have them. Like these are all markers, and I don't want markers. I want a pen but colored. And I know like there's the pilots and stuff, but they're just not as good as the one that I bought here one time, like when I first came, and it's so stupid.
So I'm looking at more mystery boxes. We do have a couple Marvels and Stitch. Let's see what we have here. Oh, yeah, those are kind of cool. The Groot's the best one.
Oh, I like the Groot.
Oh. Dr. Doom.
Ooh, those ones are good. What are the Iron Mans?
Ooh, all Iron Man variants. That's cool.
That's cool. Stitch. So much Stitch, always. I like these ones. Okay, so this one's like way heavier than the other ones. So do we have to get that one for science to see who would be heavy?
Give me the secret.
Is there a secret?
Yeah. And yeah, we'll get it.
All right, we're gonna get that one. Mike's probably gonna open that one. I'm gonna open my How to Train Your Dragon. Bing, bing. Any
got some.
interesting snacks?
No, not in this aisle. Next aisle is being restocked right now, but hopefully we get there and we can show you.
Those look good. I always think macaroons look good, and then I hate them. So we're not gonna get them.
All right, guys, let me take you to my favorite part.
I already know where he's going.
Lucky Chicken. It's really good. I haven't had it yet.
We never try any of the alcohol here. We're too afraid what he really wants.
I did have a caramel macchiato today. I am ready for my second coffee because I am a white basic white girl.
A white basic white girl.
Yep.
So he's getting a Starbucks.
I don't know yet. This one does look like the Blink 182 logo. Had that one. I feel like we got to try something different for that.
Yeah, try it out.
So we're gonna go with the Caffe Latte.
That's my favorite. And the pineapple. Mike likes melon. Pineapple's my favorite. Oh, they have a blue one now.
I do have Japanese Pepsi Cola, and I usually like it. It's different tasting than here, but I don't see it yet. But then I'm like, yeah, like a Venom and
Oh, that's cool.
a Captain America can. Well, I think these are just sparkling waters. So, oh, all right. So I will get this because these are hard to find.
He got his Pepsi.
Oh, that alien water was good. I do recommend that. Oh, it's flavors? Was it flavored before?
I think so.
This is lime.
I think you got lime last time.
We're here for the drinks.
All right. We'll show you if we find anything else cool.
Very cute Gengar statue. I did reverse image search it. It's a little cheaper on eBay, but it is cute.
It's the Statue of Liberty, holding an ice cream cone. It's pretty cute. If it were Pikachu, I'd buy it.
Yeah.
Do I need a dog hair clip?
Probably not.
But they're so cute. I think they're only $1.99. A quick moment for my Bulbasaur. I'm gonna buy him one day. I love him.
It's only $55.
You know what I want for my birthday.
All right, guys. If this video gets 100 likes, you guys choose. Does she get that Bulbasaur or that Pikachu from the last video?
Pick the Bulbasaur.
Oh, both. 1,000 likes between both videos. She gets both. That's it. 1,000 likes. First off, alien water. Not gonna review that, but it is good.
It's warm, so.
Coffee we will review in a couple minutes here.
10 seconds probably.
So we got the Pepsi, and then we got these two mystery boxes. I think one's mine and one's Amy's. So, oh, look on this one side, it's green.
Oh my god, this one. I want the tubby one. I want this guy.
I'm hoping for the Chase, Groot, Spider-Man, Doctor Doom.
Pretty much anyone but Vision or Doctor Strange is what we said.
Yeah. So.
Not that we don't like those characters, it's just.
You go first.
Yeah, I'm already opening it. Sorry, I'm impatient.
That's okay.
Okay.
Gross.
Ready?
Is there a card in there?
I don't know. Oh my god.
I think you got Toothless and the card dropped on the floor.
Yeah, I got Toothless.
That's not
which we're not upset about. He's got his little tongue out. He's cute.
Luna? See if I can get one I want.
And this was only $5 for this blind box.
This is a Pop Mart one. So that's nice, better quality.
He's laughing.
No, I'm happy.
Why?
That's all the cop. That's sticking out. There's no way I couldn't see it.
Is it who we wanted?
That's who I wanted.
Dr. Doom? That's pretty cool.
Dr. Doom.
He's pretty cool.
He's got these cool little accessories too.
Yeah, so those would come out of his hands.
Something.
And like he's like a little stand, so he'll stand upright, which is cool.
Oh yeah, you can put it on this. I'm not disappointed at all.
Yeah, no, that's a pretty good one. So the heavy one was Dr. Doom.
Coffee review.
Coffee review.
Mike's coffee review. Put it in view. All right. Caffe Latte, Japan. I love my coffee. Amy's like, on coffee. She likes it sometimes, but doesn't.
It's leaking all over the place.
I got a white shirt on.
Save the white shirt.
Save the white shirt. So what we're gonna do is
I got a napkin.
perfect. We don't want to be slobs. We still got a couple more stores.
Plus, these shirts are annoying. As soon as you get anything on them, they're like, you gotta bleach it.
Smooth. Not burnt.
That's actually pretty good.
It's really good. 10 out of 10.
Yeah. Holy moly, that's really good. All right.
We're gonna go to the new Dick's Sporting Goods House of Sports. They have a card section. It's kind of what we want to look at. I'm not sure if they're gonna carry it, but I think the Champion NFL collab with Disney is out this month. So
Ooh.
maybe if we're lucky, we'll get the Bills. The Beast is who we drafted. So go Bills.
Go Bills.
We love Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast is our favorite. All right, Dick's House of Sports. We've been in here a few times. We think it's fun. We like it. They have a cool card section, and we are looking for Beauty and the Beast and Bill's collab merch. Up the endless stairs. Oh my god, they don't stop. All right, second level. I like all the buffalo representation. R.I.P. the Ralph. You will be missed. So this Dick's is like a hidden spot for all things cards.
Which of course it's the one thing that doesn't have a person.
A lot of cool. They're putting it 2 per person. That's cool.
Oh, so you can only get like 2 items total.
Really? I didn't read it.
This is the bigger box. We haven't opened this one yet.
Ooh,
right?
no, we didn't know that there was a big
It
box.
just came out. So we had the small box, which we opened a few. I think we're gonna get one of these.
Okay.
You know what? Yeah, this is the 4th one. You know. Honey, there is 25-year anniversary of Harry Potter Cockaway.
Oh, I'm not sure.
Where's Cockaway? Oh yeah, Cockaway.
Yeah, interesting. I've never seen Cockawells in a box like
This
this.
is a blaster box, so it's kind of like the 30 cards in a box.
Yeah.
So we just put the mics on. I don't know if you heard us, but we haven't opened these yet. We just saw Cockaway Harry Potter's, but Amy's gonna skip it. It's a little steep for her budget. I got this nice display case.
Usually there's some cool stuff in here. Prismatic ETBs, $280. A lot of Topps cards.
Yeah,
They have
signed pucks, jerseys,
new.
baseball bats. That's cool. That's a new one. Now they do have DC Upper Deck, which is the first time I'm seeing that, but we're not opening Upper Deck.
This is kind of like the place for Topps cards.
Because Fanatics owns Topps now, so Dick's is kind of a Fanatic store.
Yes.
We have the Savannah Bananas. Pretty cool.
What's that shirt behind it?
The coconuts? Oh, no, Savannah Bananas still.
That's cool.
It's a kids.
I still think it's cool. I've never seen Savannah Bananas. It's on the bucket list.
Yeah, these nice displayed cards that you can't purchase. For whatever reason, they have $8 cards in it. This is actually like kind of low-end stuff. Usually it's 500 plus.
Yeah, maybe it's on the other side.
Now, Amy's going to buy me one of this if we get 100 likes. Because I need another one.
Is it your birthday? Look at Josh Allen signed baseball. That's kind of cool.
Gronk smash. Why is there a Josh Allen signed baseball?
Because they do the baseball things here.
He did the pitch. I think I saw something I like. It's like a Letterman, but sweater. Hoodie.
Yeah. Interesting.
Only $140 though. Pretty cheap for
I
each
would
of us.
never probably let you wear that.
Yeah. How about this one?
Not that I dress them or anything, but that one's okay. That one's like more vintagey, like 90s inspired.
This is an actual Letterman jacket. That's actually nice.
Yeah, like that's fine. That looks like a Letterman because it is, so. That
Never
you
owned
could
it.
wear out.
I don't think they have the Beauty and the Beast merch.
No, I'm not seeing it. This store is really busy today. This is probably the busiest we've ever seen this store. Mike wants these Crocs, and I think you should buy
They
them.
glow in the dark.
I think you should buy them.
I feel like maybe for a costume idea for.
Maybe.
Those could be the shoes.
Those are thick. Oh, look at, they have cute little ones with hearts now too. How fun. Okay, we are done shopping. There was no Beauty and the Beast and Bill's collab at Dick's yet. It must not be time for it to come out.
We ran into Best Buy real quick to look for Lacana, but they were sold out.
Yeah, Best Buy. This entire plaza is slamming today. So like we're both done. We're done shopping. We're ready to go home, relax.
About the rain.
Say hi to Luna and wrap up our day. Hi Luna. How was your day? Oh, thank you.